0 to Professional English Course, a creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 25. Discussion in the job interview.
There is a job vacancy. A man applies for the job and goes for an interview. The interview goes as follows.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
May I come in, sir?
Yes, please take your seat.
Thank you so much, sir.
Are you ready for the interview now?
Yes, sir. I am ready for the interview.
Okay, then let's start.
Sure, sir.
So, first of all, tell me your name.
My name is Habib.
Okay, Habib, what is your date of birth?
My date of birth is the 31st of March 1996.
Okay, will you tell me something about your educational qualifications?
Yes, sir. I have completed a diploma course in engineering.
Very good. From where did you complete this diploma course?
I have completed this course at Jawaharlal Nehru University.
Very good. What is your profession?
By profession, I am a software engineer.
Very good. So can you speak Urdu also?
Yes, sir, I can speak Urdu and I can speak it very fluently.
That is good. Now tell me about your experience.
Sir, I have 5 years of experience in this field.
Okay. Can you please show me your educational certificates?
Sure, sir. Here it is.
So, are you working somewhere currently?
Yes, sir, I am working in a language and translation agency and its name is Lingo Server.
So, you are working at Lingo Server, then this is a permanent job or freelancing?
No, it is a part-time job. That is why I'm working there as a freelancer.
I understood. How much salary do you get there?
2,000 INR for 1 hour.
Salary is somehow good. Then why do you want to change this job?
Actually, sir, I am looking for a permanent job.
Okay. And we will give you a permanent job, but how much salary do you expect?
Not much, just monthly 50,000 INR.
Okay. So when can you start the work here?
Yes, sir, I can start the work here the next week.
Well, Habib, tell me if we can believe in your talk.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you have your ID card with you?
Like what, sir?
Like your Aadhaar card, passport, or driving license.
I have my Aadhaar card.
Great. Please give me your CV along with a copy of your Aadhaar card.
Okay, sir. Here is the copy.
Okay, Habib, now you can go. We will inform you about the next process.
Thank you very much, sir.
You are welcome.
Okay, sir. Bye.
Bye.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, some additional structure of English sentences, 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect, 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding, 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.